Hello everyone and welcome to day 14 of the Daniel's Fast. Today I'll be sharing with you ranch potato chips using barley. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. To a coffee grinder, I added 1 cup of medium-sized barley. If you don't have a coffee grinder, you're more than welcome to use a blender. Just make sure to grind it until you reach a fine powder. To a small mixing bowl, we're going to add our barley flour. Then we're going to add parsley flakes, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by 1/4 cup of water. We're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients up together, then we're going to transfer it onto a silicone mat. I ended up using a Ziploc bag to press out the dough. Then we're going to go ahead and score the dough. We're going to bake this for an hour to an hour and a half or until dry at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, barley ranch chips. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Do your work willingly as though you were serving the Lord himself and not just your earthly master. Colossians 3 verse 23. Have a blessed day, everyone.